Oh my God, February 24th. Today is my birthday. Yay 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 yay.
Ugh. What do you want now, Diesel 10 and Evil Dog Man?
Oh ha 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 ha. Oh, I will tell you why we are here. It's better that we want to wish you an unhappy birthday to you. Ha 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 ha.
Diesel 10 and Evil Dog Man, how dare you say you are going to wish me an unhappy birthday? That's it. I'm calling my friends to pick you up.
Evil Dog Man and Diesel 10, how could you say an happy birthday to our beloved friend? You two are grounded for 10 years. Go to your room and never come back again.
Okay, fine. Dumb idiots.
Shut up!